how to fix iPhone X Ghost Touch. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Ghost Touch happens when your iPhone starts tapping or swiping on its own. So, first and the most reasonable fix is to clean your screen. Dust, oil, or moisture can cause false touches. Wipe your screen gently with a microfiber towel. Next fix is to restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and the volume up button and then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on, as restarting your iPhone fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. The next fix is to remove your case or screen protector. Cheap or misaligned accessories can mess with touch sensors. You can try using the phone without them. The next fix is to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. To check, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Apple often fixes touchscreen bugs with updates. And if nothing else works, reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your Face ID or Apple ID passcode and then reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. So, this is how you can fix iPhone X Ghost Touch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.